using any more Wi-Fi for the next 66 days. I'm usually spending like 7 hours and 46 minutes on my phone, and the rest I'm on my computer for a total of 12 hours a day. Now this will be incredibly difficult as I've built my entire business being an online personality, so no Wi-Fi means no business, literally. And if for whatever reason I can't make it all the way through, I will fully wax my legs. We'll see.
Day one, feel kind of good. I haven't itched to check social media, but I'm not using my phone for anything. I didn't have an alarm, and it's like 8:30 outside, bro. I wake up at 4 in the morning. But sunlight just shined on my face, and I felt like I had to wake up. Like, River King was right, bro.
And here's something I didn't foresee. Like, obviously I am waking up later, but I'm also getting out the house faster. I'm usually up and then out the house in like 10 to 15 minutes. A shower, change. I got nothing to check.
All right, so I need to send a message to Juan, and well, I can't send any text messages. Do you understand how much of a pain that is? So I guess he'll see my message in 3 to 5 business days, because we're gonna do an old-fashioned letter. So he needs to pay Gavin for reimbursement. I think he owes him like $1,000. So when was the last time I ever did this? I don't remember. Dear Mr. Zuniga, can you please pay ASAP? Venmo 1,000. So I guess now we go to UPS and we deliver this? What an eventful day.
It's about 10 at night right now. It was tough. All I want to do is, every time you go to bed right at night, you just need to do a quick summary.
Right about now, I'd be checking on my posts. You know how weird it is to have my team posting right now and just not know what the hell's going on? I'm getting hate if it's good, if it's bad.
So here's something I didn't think about. Emails. I can't access my email, so I had them print them all out, but you gotta keep in mind, there's long threads that could be multiple people responding to it. They have to print out all attachments, I have to write my response, then hand it back to my assistant. She has to type it up in an email to respond. So it's officially been 3 days, and as you can see, I have saved 36 hours of screen time, of which 20 hours I've been able to do additional work and 16 hours of additional family time and in-person experience.
My hand's cramped. I have been writing all day. I'm gonna have amazing handwriting at the end of this. I'm just tired, man. I just wanna look at my phone, bro.
I can't work. I don't think you guys should either. So we split the office in half for what we're gonna do today. It requires no internet. Pick. Come on. You got a good one? I'm this team. Let's go.
So we split the office into 2 teams. Our team got to stay at the office and play airsoft. First team to blow up all balloons would win. When the other team got to go birdwatch. Now the airsoft game was super tight, but obviously we took home the W. Well, the other team, I guess they saw pigeons all day.
So today was a super productive day without the internet. I was able to finish the entire Essentials collection, which is dropping in October. For our company, Oway, which is a tech startup, we were able to close new brands, and we were able to finish our Blind Love video, which is dropping soon, where one dude is dating 20 moms. We are 5 days in with no Wi-Fi. That is a total of 60 hours of no screen time, of which 40 have been additional work and 20 of additional memories and family time.
This is gonna be hell. I'm not even a week in. I haven't seen a single text message. I haven't seen a single comment. I haven't read a single email. I never suffer from anxiety, but I am anxious. I'm itching to just open my email, to open my text messages. 66 days is what it takes to break a habit and build a new one. We are so ingrained with my phone that this morning time is when I quickly catch up before going to work. I still can't get that itch out.
Jose, please pay Gavin ASAP. What's his Venmo? What error are we living in?
So now it's after work. I decided to take the entire team out for dinner, but here's what they don't know. I'm gonna be testing them. If any of them touch their phones, they're losing out on $100. I can't use my phone. We should be building experiences. If any of them make it throughout the entire dinner without touching their phones, I'll give them $100.
Day 7, no internet, no Wi-Fi. It's crazy how much of our phones are a part of it. I'm curious to know, who's texting? What's my emails, right? What are my likes? What are my dislikes? What are my comments? Like my Discord server, which is funny because I have guys in my office answering my Discord, but they're answering like me. No one knows I'm not off of Wi-Fi. But the funny part is now that I'm in the sauna, I'm just sitting here and thinking. I had all these ideas, all these things I want to accomplish, all these things I want to put into action. I just want to rush to the office and put these into play. And that's what's been replaced with the anxiousness of checking emails and text messages and social media. It's the craziest phenomenon.
To celebrate, I'm going on a walk. Nature. I mean, what better way, what else do I have to do to celebrate? But I think this is a key point that I'm realizing. When you don't have your phone, Like, yeah, I would be rather going through social media or working, but when I don't have internet, coming out and getting some vitamin D, some fresh air, you get excited over like nothing. It's free. It's a free walk.
Officially 1 week with no Wi-Fi. It's not getting any easier, but it is about 84 hours saved, which is an extra 3.5 days added to my life. That's an extra 60 hours added to my work schedule, an extra 24 hours added to my personal life to create memories and experiences.
So I ended up leaving the office quite a bit early, and for the first time ever, I was home by 3:30. So I decided, you know what, grabbed my dog, went to the park, played a little bit, the sun was out. This is something that would have never happened, because most of the time, I would always leave the office 5:30, 6, sometimes even 6:30.
I've been here for like the last 10 minutes just sitting in my bed, just staring and thinking like, this is a dumb idea. I'd rather take the pain of waxing my legs than doing this. I was trying to prove a point that you do not need the internet, but I need the internet. My mind's not as hazy. I'm not like as anxious. It's just like, how much money am I losing? How smart is this? I don't know. I think I should.
I decided to come out and just play ball a little bit. Yo, I was feeling claustrophobic inside. I had nothing to do but stare at a blank wall. And it got me thinking, like any other day I would have made a story or some sort of content to post for validation, but I'm just playing to play. Instead of waking up wallowing around like I've been doing the last few days, anxious to check social media, I said, screw it. I grabbed my daughter, grabbed my dog on a Tuesday, and in the morning, started playing. Just went to the park, had a little bit of fun. She enjoyed it, my dog enjoyed it, I enjoyed it. And you can do that type of stuff because I have all the time in the world now to do literally anything. All right, so here's something that I didn't think about. I use the internet for everything, including scripting videos. So now, when was the last time you came to a library? I don't remember when. So now I'm literally going up and down book aisles, reading titles to see if I can like spark any new creativity. Yo, this might take me forever.
All right, boys, day 10, no Wi-Fi. I'm about to head out, catch a flight. I'm working for MGM, so I'm gonna head out to Vegas a little bit early in the morning. Same feeling, getting annoying, getting itchy, and just that one little extra irk. Check this out, bro. I had to print out my plane tickets. Yo, when was the last time you printed out plane tickets to fly out? I'm already annoyed, but that's like that little thing where like just...
Shout out to MGM for the hotel. By this time, you probably already saw the post. Insane. They hooked it up in the suite, but I'm about to go to bed with my wife, and I just been thinking a lot. Recently, before I started this challenge, I saw this TikTok, which I'm gonna have my team find it and put it here. You could go watch the entire thing, but in a synopsis, the guy was basically saying that now that he has kids, feels like seeing his kids grow up through the phone, through pictures that his wife sends him and videos. And I felt like I fell in that same hole. I work so hard so my entire family is good, and I forget to spend time with my family. And I think that I'm getting the updates and the videos, but you know, it's a blink of an eye, and now she's 2, and then she's 3, and it's like all these memories are flashing right before our eyes, and you don't even notice because you're so hooked onto your phone. This was hard at first, but it's becoming increasingly easier when you start weighing the pros and cons.
Yo, it's day 12. What a freaking great morning, man. My car's on E. I have this tendency of always forgetting my credit card, and guess what? I can't use Apple Pay to pay. It is literally on E. But then I had the genius idea. I walked 5 blocks to find some city bike. But then when I was there, I remembered I still need an app to unlock one. All right, so at this point, it can't get any worse. I left my car in the back in the gas station. I have 10 blocks to make it to the office, so I can either walk the 10 blocks, find somebody with a credit card, help me out, risk it, hop in the car, pray I make it on fumes. I'm not walking, I'm risking it. Let's go. I got about 15 blocks to go, and it's been saying 5 miles for the last 10 miles. So we're making it on fumes. All right, we still have 11 blocks left, and I don't even know how many miles I have left to make it. All right, we got 500 feet left. We got the gas station on the left. I feel this thing like choking up on me. All right, finally, we're turning 10 feet, 10 feet. Don't choke up on me. Guys, we barely just made it to the office, but we're here. The gas station is right across the corner. I just need a credit card. Oh, credit card secured. I need to stop relying on my phone so much. I didn't realize how much I needed.
13 days in, almost 2 weeks, just hit the gym. I'm finding myself hitting the gym a lot more. A total of 156 hours saved. Out of those 156 hours, about 100 hours have been added to my work schedule, and 56 of those hours added onto my personal time.
It's officially been 14 days or 2 weeks with no Wi-Fi. Yo, I got so much time. I'm picking up new hobbies. Yo, I'm a cyclist now.
It's nighttime, it's cold outside. I'm actually running through my skincare right now. Salicylic acid every night. It's a good exfoliant. Put on some hydrating cream. Crazy, with all this extra time, you literally have time to do everything. Like all the stuff you need, you know you have to do, now you can do.
All right, so I never get my mail. It's day 15 right now. Feeling good, but I remembered I'm waiting on a message. So Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a response. Jose Zuniga, let's see. Yo, I shouldn't even be laughing. Yo, Gavin's gonna be pissed. He's gonna understand in like 66 days when he sees this video, which by that time, hopefully he's paid 15 business days. We gotta go to UPS, drop this off. It's gonna be like $6. Imagine I did this with my whole contact book.
18 days, I don't know what the hell's going on. And it's kind of soothing. Just so much clutter is gone. So much stress is gone. And originally I was gonna make this video 21 days, but through further research, like I said, it took 66 days scientifically to develop a new habit. So almost halfway there.
3 weeks, 21 days, 252 hours added back to my life. I can't even lie. It's getting increasingly easier. Like, yes, I still have that itch, but it's not as strong. And when you see the numbers, yo, I've added about 170 hours into my work schedule over the last 3 weeks. An extra 82 hours of personal time and memory. Yo, I'm feeling good.
Day 24, it's already nighttime. I'll be honest, I was crazy busy. Didn't have time to do an update, but you know, I have an H&M event to go to right now. I'm gonna look at their new collection, and it's crazy because now that I'm getting used to, like, I don't even need my phone anymore. I'm getting excited for social events. Cause it's like, that's my new dopamine, cause I don't need this anymore.
27 days and it just feels like I got that month back. When you spend so much time on social media, your hours become days, your days become weeks, your weeks become months, and I have 27 days of my life back, like actual experiences.
All right, it's officially been 30 days with no Wi-Fi. I'm feeling great, and to celebrate, I'm gonna do a hardcore workout on this outdoor gym. We're actually comparing it against a luxury gym here in New York City, which is gonna be fun. Yo, let's hop into this. Day 36, we're a little bit over halfway there. We have a total of 432 hours saved. That's 18 days worth of my life back. That's an extra 300 hours I added to my work schedule and about 132 hours I added to my personal life for memories. I can't even lie to you, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling healthy. I'm also itching to turn my phone back on. Day 39, I'm saving a lot of money, bro. This is great. Everybody should do this for at least like 10 days. I'm leaving work and I need groceries, and usually I would have just like Instacarted it, but now I have to stop at the grocery store and get it myself. It's all positive.
Day 42, it's nighttime already. Did all my work. It's crazy because when I come to my home office and I work, it's efficient, right? I'm not wasting time on different tabs. So now, because I don't spend time on my phone for the last 10, 20 days, I read at night. And I would always use audiobooks because I always said I didn't have time to sit down and read. When you get off your phone, you got time to sit down and read. By the way, great book. And anything you do in life, you need to be a great storyteller. Great book.
Day 45. I'm feeling great. Yo, I've been spending so much time with my daughter lately in the morning where I get to play with her, I get to actually do things. Before I would leave to work at 4 in the morning. I wouldn't get to see her. Mainly because I was always working, I was always on something. I got all the time in the world. Like this is your most valuable resource and it's free, you can get it back. Let's go, that's crazy.
Day 48, a total of 576 hours. We're less than 2 weeks away. Less than 2 weeks away. That's 24 days worth of my life back. I added an extra 376 hours onto my work schedule and an extra about 200 hours onto my personal life.
Yo, this cold is killing me. I'm about to go to bed. Before I did, I wanted to, that's my daughter's bottle. I wanted to have a conversation with you guys. I'm almost there. And I'm not even itching for my phone anymore. I'm just worried about what life's gonna look like. And I've had so many memories, so many experiences. I enjoy being around people now. Like I like my family time. I like all these, everything that's outside of my phone. What happens when you introduce that in that quickly? 8:66, I turn on my notifications. That's all that's been in my head for the last few days. There's this like fear, almost there. I'm so close. And it's like, what will happen once I complete it? It's so easy to get sucked back into a comfortable habit. And let's just hope this habit stays. 60 days, boys. Cheers. I just got home from work and I've just been sitting here thinking, 6 days, everything goes back to normal. But is that the normal that I want?
You know what? I don't think there's anything to be scared about. Scientists were right. It takes 66 days to replace a bad habit. There's nothing to be scared about. Once you replace the dopamine of instant gratification of social media and the internet for real world experiences and family time and memories, I don't think you can ever go back.
I just got a message.